Hello, everyone. We are Bess McCarty of the MLM Millionaire Club and Jeffrey David Gamble of My Leadership Network, partnering to bring you Quick Start Basics for Network Marketers every Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern. Our purpose is to help people grow, to educate, empower, and equip entrepreneurs, and to create independent servant leaders. This Quick Start Basics for Network Marketers and the 10 core commitments include the 7 skills that Eric Worre teaches in his GoPro book. This training is generic and compatible with your company, and it's for all levels, whether you're just starting or whether you're moving or whether you're stuck, whether your focus is for customers, recruits, or training. This training helps you to build a team, to lay a good, solid foundation, and to make money. And it's where you can connect with people, interact, have fun, and get edutainment. Right, Jeff?
That's absolutely correct. Entertainment is what it's all about. It's one thing to learn something. It's another thing to actually be entertained at the same time. So what we're doing is we're putting together this program for you. And just real quick, my background is I got started in direct sales when I was actually 17 years old. I had no contacts. I had no skills. I had no influence. I had no leadership. I didn't even have a car. Didn't have a job. Didn't have an income. But what I did have is I had the want to be able to build. The problem was I went out and tried to build through experience. I went out and tried to build through the hard way, which is just trying stuff. And I don't know if you've ever done that or you've experienced that or you've experienced the frustration of that and just been upset. You're looking for answers. You can't find it. You go online now today and you go to YouTube and there seem to be things out there, but you don't know exactly where to go. When I met Bess, she had been running a program for 10 years. And after talking, we decided to come together and put together all the skills. And I said, what if we ordered them like this and put them together in a package? Now, I spent years doing this, years basically frustrated. It took me 10 years to learn some of these lessons. And if you do the math on it, if you do all the open houses and all the trainings and all the, team events that I've gone to, I was spending about $5,000 a year. And I did that for 20 years. So I've spent well over $100,000 to basically learn some of these skills. And I have a question for you. Would you like to save money? Would you like to save time? Would you like to save a whole lot of frustration and energy and just learn the 10 skills, in a short, hour to 45 minutes, time frame, and then have another 45 minutes to be able to practice those skills with 2 people who know the business? I've been able to put well over 500 people frontline personally into network marketing. I've built 2 teams over 5,000 people, and I've worked with 2 of the best in the industry. One of the gentlemen I've worked with is actually still on the list of highest earners of all time, not only each year, but the highest earner of all time, over $450 million paid in commissions. And what I've done is I've assembled all that information together and we put it together into this program. So that's what we're doing. You can save yourself a bunch of money, a bunch of time, and a bunch of headache by just joining with us. And with that, I'll turn it back over to you, Bess.
Okay. So a lot of combined experience that we have. I've been coaching network marketers for over 10 years. I was one full-time long ago, many years, that helped me raise my son as a single mom. I've been a body-mind therapist for 30 years. I specialize in coaching and communication and teaching communication and skills and clearing the mindset of blocks, similar to Tony Robbins. You can hire Jeff or me for $250 an hour for private work, or you can join us on our live weekly fun interactive training calls for only $25 a month. And this is normally $100 a month, by the way. So this is every Sunday at 9 p.m. by phone or by video. It is recorded, so there will be replays. We'd love to have you join us. Just click the yellow button below and we'll see you there.
Awesome. Right below. Thanks, guys.